Can hypothyroidism affect the uvula and soft palate, worsening snoring? Have you ever wondered how conditions like hypothyroidism can impact your sleep? Specifically, can it affect the uvula and soft palate, leading to worse snoring? Let's break it down. Hypothyroidism is when the thyroid gland does not produce enough hormones. This condition can lead to various physical changes, including muscle weakness and alterations in tissue. One area that can be affected is the throat, which plays a vital role in breathing during sleep. When someone has hypothyroidism, the muscles in the upper airway may become weaker. This includes the soft palate, which is the back part of the roof of your mouth. If the soft palate becomes lax, it can lead to it being floppy. A floppy soft palate can collapse more easily during sleep, which can obstruct the airway. This obstruction can cause snoring to become louder and more frequent. Additionally, the uvula, which hangs down from the soft palate, can also be affected. If both the soft palate and uvula are not firm, they can vibrate more intensely when air passes through. This increased vibration contributes to snoring. Moreover, hypothyroidism can cause inflammation and swelling in the tissues of the throat. This swelling can further narrow the airway, making it even harder to breathe while sleeping. The irritation from snoring can also lead to more swelling, creating a cycle that worsens the problem. Another factor to consider is the accumulation of mucopolysaccharides, which are complex sugars. In hypothyroidism, these can build up in the soft tissues of the throat, including the tongue and soft palate. This buildup can lead to an increase in tissue size, further reducing the space in the airway and making snoring more likely. People with hypothyroidism often find it challenging to breathe through their nose, leading them to breathe through their mouth instead. This can cause the soft palate to obstruct airflow, resulting in snoring and even sleep apnea, which is characterized by pauses in breathing during sleep. From a sleep apnea perspective, hypothyroidism is a known risk factor. The combination of muscle weakness and tissue swelling can lead to airway collapse during sleep. If someone with hypothyroidism notices increased snoring or symptoms of sleep apnea, such as excessive daytime sleepiness or choking sensations during sleep, it's essential to seek evaluation for sleep apnea. Managing hypothyroidism through appropriate hormone replacement therapy can help improve muscle tone and reduce swelling in the throat. This, in turn, may decrease the severity of snoring and alleviate sleep apnea symptoms. In summary, hypothyroidism can indeed affect the uvula and soft palate, leading to increased snoring and a higher risk of sleep apnea. Addressing thyroid function is an important step in managing these sleep-related breathing issues.